All right, y'all, so back to these airbags. I'm just gonna talk a little bit about, you know, half-ton trucks. Yes, this is a half-ton. I got it in 2019, Laramie 1500. I have a rough country 5-inch lift. Those are 35-inch tires. No, they don't scrub. But I do a lot of, I pull campers, not far. I mean, there are times I pull probably 20 miles, just being honest with you, but a lot. Talking at least 4 or 5 days a week, I'm hooking a camper up to it and I'm pulling it. So the book says this truck can pull, man, some of the manufacturers, I got customers coming in here saying, oh, it'll pull 11,000 pounds. So that's the specs of the truck. It's 4-wheel drive, Laramie. It's got the Hemi in it. And that's all I've done with this, you know, the suspension wise. But I'm just going to show you guys what these airbags do for these trucks. Like, look at that. It ain't even gonna go on. That's just my kind of look. I want to make a video, and then it don't want to go on right. So I'm gonna have to stop this one here and pull my darn truck back forward. Hold on. My bad, y'all. I had to back up like 2 inches. Just my luck. But anyways, I'm gonna get this thing set on here, show you what it looks like with.
You know, this is an 8,700 pound camper. And I got customers all the time, you know, they come in and they just don't like it. I tell them, I don't recommend it unless you do something to fix this. This is a little dangerous. It's not a, I don't know, hey, my truck can pull this or that, but it's more of a safety thing, so let's get it on there. And I don't want to stop the camera because I just want to, you know, show you what it really looks like. No, I'm not paid by Airlift to show them or anything. I'm just doing this, you know, just to let customers know what it looks like. That's the sound of the 5 pounds of air in my bag going out.
Sorry, y'all. All right, so that's off the ground now. I don't want to take up too much of your time, so we'll stop there. Now I'm going to show you the vehicle. 8,700 pounds. I wouldn't want to pull that down the interstate or anywhere going camping. That's 37 feet of camper, 8,700 pounds and a half-ton. Do you think that's half-ton towable? Let me know in the comments below. I don't. That's my opinion. But anyways, I want to show you guys what I've done to my truck. This whole setup comes in different stages. You can do it with a straighter valve where, you know, you can locate this valve anywhere. We've put this one in here in the gas cap, so you could pull up to a gas station. You know, when you get the load on, quickly just put your air line on there. It fills it right back up. That's how it went first, but that just, when you do it every single day, it gets repetitive and it's a lot of work. So I'll upgrade it to the wireless air compressor here. And this is, my darn camera's done gone black again. Hold on. This is what it looks like. It's got a couple different presettings in it. Like I said, it's a bolt-on kit, but I know a guy that can hook you up with putting it on if you're in the Meridian area. 5 is the minimum air pressure, you know, allowed in the bags, you know, for a safety issues. And I've got this one, there's presets. The second preset is 20. That 20 is what I use for my personal boat, but the compressor's on right now. We're going to go ahead and bump it up to what I consider a safe towing range, I guess you could say. I'm just going to put it at 60 pounds. Let's see where 60 puts it.
Step back so you can slowly watch this truck rise. You want your vehicle to be as level as possible, and of course I did not adjust my hitch, but you also want the camper, everything as level as possible. That way it rides smoothly, it doesn't have as much weight to it. It's not going to be causing the vehicle to bounce up and down. So we're almost level, it's still going. That's pretty darn close, 60 pounds. You can go all the way up to 100 pounds of pressure. That's the max. Actually, that's 60 is probably too much. But you see it, it's level. I'm going to walk around to the other side.
So if you're driving at night and you're pulling a load, your headlights, if that back end is squatted down like that, you're blinding everybody around you. It's a cheap upgrade. It doesn't cost much. I'm not getting paid to show them this, but I'm just here to educate you guys on what you think. So is a half-ton truck that claims they can pull 11,000 pounds. Some dealerships tell them this truck can pull 12,000 pounds. Is that safe? What do you think? Anyways, now watch this. Let's take it back down. That's the cool thing about having it too. When you're pulling campers, I can go ahead and extend this leg all the way back down and then just go ahead and release the pressure in the truck. Probably can't even see it. It's under there somewhere. But anyways, just wanted to share.